Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable screen mirroring on any Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. Now to do that, just make sure that your smartphone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi. If they are not connected to the same Wi-Fi, this feature cannot work. Now the first step is to scroll down and open the control center, and from here just tap on this icon. Now if you can't find this icon in your control center, just scroll up and tap on edit. Now from here just tap on the icon you want to add. Now from here tap on done. Now from here just tap on this icon. Now from here it is searching the devices nearby. Now if your TV and your smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi, it will show the name of your TV right here. Now currently I don't have a TV right now, so that is why it is not showing anything. Now in your case, once it detects your TV, the name of your TV will appear right here. Just tap on the name of your TV and you can cast the screen of your smartphone on your TV. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.